Hello and welcome to your sound library. This time we're talking about one lateral sound and two affricates. So the lateral sound is the L, so L, and the affricates are Ch and J. So the lateral sound we have in Dutch as well. And we can just practice that by being a singer. So for example, la 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 la. So l, l, like in live or pool. So that shouldn't be a problem. And then the affricates, the ch, for example, in church, or the j in judge. Now the ch is a unvoiced sound, so ch, and the j is a voiced sound. So ch, church, and j, judge. And those are the lateral sound, so L, live, pool, and the affricates, ch, church, and j, judge.